Downsizing your home can also mean leaving the location you have lived for years or even decades. This is a frightening thought for many empty nesters. Hello, I'm Vicki Harvey, the owner of Vicki Sells Grand Strand at eXp Realty in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I understand how important your relationships are with various physicians, and service providers that you have come to count on and trust over the time you've been there. You likely have access to certain amenities such as pharmacy, restaurants, and stores that you frequent. The thought of moving may be daunting enough, but then to add the notion of starting everything new might sound downright impossible. Don't worry, we've got you covered. You see, when you work with us, we take the time to understand your unique needs as well as your wants. Fortunately, we know about the numerous communities that are conveniently located to the health facilities, shopping, and other conveniences. Our team will take as much time as necessary to understand what you are looking for in your new convenient location, and we take pride in matching people with the perfect place to call home. As I always like to say, it's not just a house, it's your home.